So guys, I believe this product right here is gonna make vlogging a little bit more easier. And by the way, I think it's time for me to get a new unboxing knife, for real. This one is kind of getting old. Alright, so we're gonna take this out the box. And look at that. This is the Joby Gorillapod Focus and Ballhead X. I picked this up for like about $100. I picked it up on eBay. So make sure you guys buy it on eBay. It's a lot cheaper compared to Amazon. And as you guys can see, it's brand new in the plastic, everything. I kind of appreciate this seller because he sells everything 50% off, nice and cheap. And I really wanted to get this product because this is going to definitely improve my vlogging. Okay, maximum weight capacity is 11 pounds. Basically, this is going to work on any camera. And of course, this thing can bend. You can pretty much wrap this around anywhere. Alright, as soon as you open it up, you have the manual. Pretty self-explanatory to use this mount. Okay. And here it is. The Gorillapod Focus. Right away, this thing is kind of heavy. You're getting that quality. $100 is a lot to spend on just this. But man, all the vloggers use this. And it kind of looks weird when you actually look at it in person. I don't know if the camera's doing any justice, but this thing look kind of look badass. And yeah, this thing is just screaming quality, man. You guys can see nice shiny golden balls here. I know a lot of people might look at this as, you know, I don't want to say it, but you know, this is definitely a handy dandy camera equipment. Of course, you have your 3 knobs here to control the ball head. So this knob right here is the quick release. As you guys can see, if I twist this, a lot of people don't like this, but I feel like this is a little bit more safer than just having a quick release tab. But yeah, this is a lot more better in my opinion. And as you guys can see, this is metal. This is no plastic here. This is metal. So this is not going to damage up over time. This big knob is controlling the ball head. This is actually controlling the turning thing. So you can use this to turn. And you can even lock it into place if you want. And I feel like when you're vlogging, you're holding the camera. Sometimes your arms can get in the way. And sometimes your hand can get a little tired. This is definitely going to give you a lot of grip. And fun little fact, Casey Neistat actually used this Gorillapod. This same exact one, Gorillapod Focus. Ace Family used this one too as well. Loads of YouTubers, Logan Paul, Jake Paul, they used Gorillapods. Tough. That's how tough these things are. If you try to bend it, you're gonna have to bend it one by one, but this thing is tough. And normally when I like to vlog, I like to have this thing slightly curved because when you holding it, you have it like this, a little bit slanted, instead of it being straight up like this. And alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I am back on my iPhone 10. So I'm gonna install my Canon G7X. I know this is a little bit of an overboard, but you guys gotta understand, this is not gonna be my only camera forever. And I want something that will last. $100 is a lot to be spending. Even $50 is a lot to be spending. I definitely watched 100 different videos, people installing this, talking about this. And some people have some pop-out issues, but trust me, I'm not going to really be bending this too crazy. I'm really just going to use this as a vlogging stick for the most part. So as you guys can see, it kind of takes a while to install, but you're getting that safety mechanism on the side there. So now when I'm vlogging, this is a humongous setup. Look at that. Look at that setup right there. Oh, yeah. You can turn it like that. Oop, oh. Okay, yeah. Before you do that, make sure you hold your camera. And you can tighten it up. Very, very, very sturdy. And you can lock this into place. And now look. Alright, just a quick little test video. I got my coat here. I got everything all over the place. I just want to show you guys a vlogging example. You can vlog like this. Hey, what is up everybody? Ladies and gentlemen, SimplyPops here. Back at it again with another video. And you guys can see how low my hand is, but the camera is still high up. That's what I like. Because now when you're vlogging, you can rest your hand a little bit. You can rest your hand a little bit and you can still be in the frame. You're still in the shot. This was my old Gorillapod, or fake Gorillapod, I guess you could say. I actually bend this a little bit like this, so you can use it like this. Alright, so this is what I used to have. It actually snapped off. That's why I wanted to invest in the actual Gorillapod. I didn't want no flimsy BS. Look at the size difference. The size difference is out of the world. But, you know, the longer the better because of, when you get something longer, it's like you having more range on the top. I definitely like that. Compared to this, you're so low. You may as well don't even have nothing. You like to bend it. This thing is tough to bend. And when you curve this thing, you get in a little bit better grip. And you can rest your arms a little bit. Compared to like holding it from the bottom a little bit. That could work too. But when you bend it, on camera, you can actually see what's inside of it. You can see the aluminum. Oh yeah, one more thing. I want to show you guys this. You can actually screw this top part off. You can mount this into your real tripod and actually use just the ball head. You can even install your camera just on here. But the thing with just this is not the same experience. Your camera's a little bit lower, and I feel like you cannot, like, when you wrap this thing around, you're not going to really have that much control of your camera. Because you cannot be able to wrap it around and control your camera a little bit. You have to actually move the entire arm of this tripod to really get where you want it to be. So if you plan on buying this, definitely you guys got to get the ball head with it. So let me wrap up this video. So guys, that pretty much concludes this unboxing video / first impressions of the Gorillapod Focus. I'm definitely going to be updating this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. Until next time. Peace. This thing is amazing. I love it. And you're really on arm's reach already. Yo, this thing is amazing. If you're vlogging, you need one of this. And if you have something like this and you're on a tight budget, the SLR will be fine. And really, this is just intended for DSLRs. But, you know, I like to just buy the top of the line things. You know what I mean? If this is better quality and this is going to last longer, I'm going to go with this one. You know what I mean? And that's just how it is. I always like buying things one time and one time only. You know what I mean? I don't want to keep on buying the same thing over and over again. And one little fact, try not to bend your Gorillapod too much. When you bend it back and forth, it's going to start to lose its quality. It's going to start to lose its resistance. I'm just going to leave it like this.